love the car. It's hard, obviously, to put them away for 6 months because of the snow that we have here in the area in the mountains. But it makes the reunion in the springtime that much sweeter. And it's like a honeymoon every time I put the cars back on the road come May 1st. And so, yeah, I'm back enjoying them. This car actually, both cars are stored at my mechanics, and it had ignition service done in the winter time. It wasn't really running that well last fall, or actually through the whole last season. And it came down to some ignition issues that needed to be resolved, and some parts needed to be updated or purchased new. Now it's running really, really cleanly again. No misfire. There was a bit of a misfire that was happening on the car when you warmed it up, and it stayed with it honestly most of the time. And now it's working just great. So really nice to get it back on the road again. Drove it back from my mechanic yesterday. Unfortunately, there was a bit of a traffic jam on the way, and so it made the last half hour, 45 minutes, not as enjoyable as I would like it to be. It's a beautiful sunny day, kind of like today. But I thought today I should take it on one of my favorite roads that's in between Bischofshofen and Mulbach here in Salzburgland. It's a really, really great turny road, and I look forward to showing what that looks like on the 328 here today. In terms of the car, what's going to need to get done this year, I'm going to get some tires probably next week. They are a little bit, they're a little bit old. Just feel it's understeering just a little bit in the corners. Not as much grip as I would like it to be, or as I need it to be. So I'm going to get some new Pirellis ordered next week. Other than that, this car really shouldn't need anything. Actually, it's in pretty good condition. Engine's been serviced, belt change was done last year, so that's actually good to go. And really just about enjoying it. Testarossa, I hope to bring that back. I would hope in the next couple of weeks. It's all ready to go as well. If you followed my channel, you know that the Testarossa was giving me a little bit of grief last year, also with some ignition issues. Turned out that the coils, both coils were essentially faulty, need to be replaced. But it took some time for my mechanic to resolve that, get another customer car in to try the coils on it before ordering new ones for it. Now it's all good to go. Plus, we've also we've actually rebuilt the odometer. It stopped actually counting at normal speed. It was counting at 3 times the normal speed. Whenever the car was running, the odometer was running. So, got that fixed. It's repaired now. Turned back to the original odometer setting. So, look forward to bringing that home very soon. And I'm trying to think about what kind of trips I want to do this summer. I would love to get to Maranello in one of the cars. It's on my bucket list for a long time. I hope to do that. I'm actually going next week for the Ferrari Club of Austria to do a little tour of the Ferrari factory. Also to see Drake Restaurant. We're going to see the Jacobazzi Winery, where it used to be a sponsor of Bischofshofen back in the 70s, early 80s, before his passing. So I'm excited to see that, as well as we're going to get a chance to see the Pagani Museum. So hopefully I'll be able to share some memories from that experience. In a perfect world, I would take one of the cars. We'll have to see if I'm ready to do that. It's always fun with a classic, a 5-hour trip. I'm not sure if I'm ready to do that, but I would really love to do that. Other than that, though, I do plan to share lots of experiences this summer. If you have any ideas yourself, what you would love to see, please let me know in the comments. Again, welcome back to the channel, and I look forward to sharing lots of cool Ferrari classic experience this summer. Take care.